Ubuntu ideology. From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. http://en.wikipedia.org. Ubuntu, pronounced Ubuntu, is a sub-Saharan African ethic or ideology focusing on people's allegiances and relations with each other. The word has its origin in the Bantu languages of southern Africa. Ubuntu is seen as a traditional African concept. A rough translation in English could be humanity towards others, or I am because we are, or a person becomes human through other persons, or also a person is a person because of other persons. Another translation could be the belief in a universal bond of sharing that connects all humanity. An attempt at a longer definition has been made by Archbishop Desmond Tutu in 1999. A person with Ubuntu is open and available to others, affirming of others, does not feel threatened that others are able and good, for he or she has a proper self-assurance that comes from knowing that he or she belongs in a greater whole, and is diminished when others are humiliated or diminished, when others are tortured or oppressed. Ubuntu is seen as one of the founding principles of the new Republic of South Africa, and is connected to the idea of an African Renaissance. In the political sphere, the concept of Ubuntu is used to emphasize the need for unity or consensus in decision-making, as well as the need for a suitably humanitarian ethic to inform those decisions. Liu in 1998 suggests that the concept of Ubuntu defines the individual in terms of their several relationships with others, and stresses the importance of Ubuntu as a religious concept, stating that while the Zulu maxim Umuntu Ngubuntu Ngubantu, a person is a person through other persons, may have no apparent religious connotations in the context of Western society, in an African context it suggests that the person one is to become by behaving with humanity is an ancestor worthy of respect or veneration. Those who uphold the principle of Ubuntu throughout their lives will, in death, achieve a unity with those still living. The Ubuntu distribution of the Linux computer operating system is inspired by the concept, arguing that it, quote, brings the spirit of Ubuntu to the software world, end quote. This sound file and all text in the article are licensed under the GNU Free Documentation License, available at www.gnu.org/copyleft/fdl.html.